9 forecast.
Well, the remnants of Hurricane Nicole are now long gone after a soaking rainfall yesterday. Hello, I'm Stormy T29 meteorologist Josh Fitzpatrick. The next weather system I'm tracking down the horizon is this little swirl right there over the arch in St. Louis. This gave those folks a surprise heavy snowfall, especially on the south side of St. Louis early this morning. And for a picture of that, check out my Twitter page. This is something else. They thought they were going to get a dusting of snow, but they woke up this morning to some 6 inches of an accumulation. That's one of my worst nightmares to forecast in the winter, is forecasting a little snow, but you wake up with a lot more. Nothing like that on our horizon, but some showers are in the forecast, but nothing like what we had on Friday. We had a good soaking rain, beneficial rain, the most rainfall we had in at least 2 months in Charlottesville and Central Virginia. We had 1 to 4+ inches of rain on both sides of the Blue Ridge. The highest amounts were along the higher elevations of the Blue Ridge Mountains. Peak wind gusts, well, we had wind gusts in excess of 40 miles per hour across the highest of elevations. Wintergreen, 45 miles per hour. Harrisonburg, Madison, Charlottesville, Lake Monticello, anywhere from 25 to 35 miles per hour. So lots of leaves down. Wet leaves can be slick this time of the year for sure. In your first forecast for this Saturday, a mild day. One more day with milder than average conditions. Low 60s to 70 degrees. Daytime highs will be in the low 60s from Harrisonburg, Stanton, Waynesboro, upper 60s and low 70s east of the Blue Ridge. Sunrise was at 6:52. Sunset nowadays is at 5:04. So definitely a sign of November when we get those longer nights, right? 65 spring-like degrees currently in Charlottesville, 56 right now in Stanton, well above our average low of 40 degrees this time of the year. The radar recap shows active weather from southwest to the northeast on Friday. For our region, we certainly missed out on the strongest of the storms. We had tornado reports in and around the Richmond metro, also near Roanoke and into Southside Virginia. Now live radar is coming back completely dry. No rainfall, at least currently, on our radar and satellite picture. And there go the remnants of what was the Hurricane Nicole over New England. It's rapidly moving away from the northeast. And look at this. There's that snow that gave an area just south of St. Louis about a 6-inch snowfall in a very small area, and that's moving into the Ohio Valley. For our region, we're going to be on the warm side of that system. So that means once the system arrives here by this evening, we will just have a few rain showers. And that's exactly what our high-res weather tracker is showing. Chance for a passing shower this evening, and then drier skies tomorrow into the day on Monday. Next best chance of rain will be Tuesday. Widespread showers, but nothing very heavy. Cooler than average from Sunday and beyond. More typical of this time of the year with a colder weather pattern. Forecast today, sun and clouds, still mild in the low 60s for the valley, low 70s over central Virginia. Overnight, we're going to be in the 30s and 40s by daybreak after a brief shower chance this evening. Highs tomorrow back in the 40s in the valley, low 50s over Charlottesville and central Virginia, so much cooler but mostly sunny with a brisk northwest breeze. 7-day forecast. 50 on Monday after lows in the frosty 20s. Some chilly rain showers arrive on Tuesday. Less than a half-inch of rainfall is projected. 50s Wednesday and dry, and chilly and dry next Thursday and Friday with frosty overnights. Hello, November next week.